Since its debut in 2018, Corolla Hatchback has been a fan favorite in the Toyota family, and this year it returns with some welcome feature upgrades, an all-new special edition model, and an option to add extra storage capacity for those who need it. But fun is still the name of the game here, so let's learn more about what makes this hatchback such a blast to drive. With Corolla Hatchback, fun-to-drive character and sporty style go hand in hand. And this year, Corolla Hatchback adds magnetic gray metallic and wind chill pearl to its color palette, with an available two-tone black metallic roof for even more style. Additionally, all Corolla Hatchback models feature eye-grabbing Triple J LED headlights, which make this car easy to recognize at a glance. And XSE kicks it up another notch with standard LED fog lights and an available adaptive front lighting system that adjusts to the current driving conditions. This top-tier grade also offers a chrome grille surround up front, as well as large 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels for that aggressive look. Meanwhile, SE Nightshade Edition expands on the 2020 model year with its front-lower grille surround and black exterior accents, including a black Toyota emblem and badges. While the Special Edition comes standard with an aerodynamic body kit with side skirts, 18-inch black alloy wheels, and a black rear spoiler. Plus, the Special Edition is finished in a dazzling supersonic red, a new color that's unique to this edition. Corolla Hatchback's expanded lineup brings together two classic grades and some special edition models. Familiar grades include the sporty SE and XSE, which are both offered either with a dynamic shift CVT or 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, while SE Nightshade Edition ups the style factor with its blacked-out exterior accents and standard 18-inch black alloy wheels. And with a limited run of just 1,500 units, the all-new Special Edition makes a serious impression with its exclusive paint job and head-turning design cues. Corolla Hatchback's undeniable style is on display inside as well, with an abundance of high-gloss and matte surfaces that give this interior a playful yet refined design. And there are lots of other high-end touches too, like a leather-trimmed steering wheel and shifter, as well as various soft-touch materials throughout. As on the outside, XSE's interior is a step up over SE's, packing premium elements like combination leather trim and fabric upholstery, power driver and heated front seats, and an upgraded instrument panel with a 7-inch multi-information display. This spacious interior also offers ample room for both passengers and cargo, especially when its 60-40 split rear seats are folded flat. And if that's not enough, Corolla Hatchback also features an available enhanced cargo space option, a reconfigured cargo area that adds 6 cubic feet to the overall capacity with no added cost and no impact on fuel economy. True to the Toyota name, Corolla Hatchback puts a priority on safety. First, this latest model adds 2 rear seat-mounted side airbags, making for a total of 10 airbags throughout the cabin. And every Corolla Hatchback comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, an advanced suite of active safety technologies that come standard on all grades. TSS 2.0 includes enhancements to the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, adding pedestrian detection in low-light situations, and daytime bicyclist detecting capabilities. TSS 2.0 also adds lane tracing assist to keep the vehicle centered in its lane while dynamic radar cruise control is operating, as well as road sign assist, which can recognize and display select road signs on the instrument panel. Corolla Hatchback comes packed with advanced technology, and this year adds even more cutting-edge features to an already extensive list. This is evident in its standard 8-inch touchscreen audio multimedia system with Apple CarPlay compatibility, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility lets drivers connect Android devices to access their favorite music and apps. Plus, Amazon Alexa virtual assistant functionality is offered on every model, as is a complimentary 3-month all-access trial to SiriusXM. And of course, while hitting the streets in Corolla Hatchback, it's important to have an audio system that delivers the goods. That's why SE can be upgraded to the Audio Plus system found on XSE, and why XSE can be maxed out with the top-shelf 800-watt 8-speaker JBL premium audio system for extra punch. And Corolla Hatchback's multimedia systems also offer trials to Toyota's available connected services, which include Remote Connect, Service Connect, Safety Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. Besides entertainment and connectivity, Corolla Hatchback's high-tech mentality can be seen in standard convenience features like Smart Key System with push-button start and electric parking brake with brake hold, as well as available features like dual-zone automatic climate control and Qi-compatible wireless smartphone charging. This year, the available blind spot monitor system adds rear cross-traffic alert to help alert drivers to vehicles passing on either side while backing out of a parking space. One look at Corolla Hatchback and it's clear this sporty hatch is all about the drive, whether it's daily commuting or tearing around the track. Its underlying TNGA architecture is supported by independent suspension at all four corners, specifically McPherson strut up front and a multi-link design in the rear. TNGA also comes into play with Corolla Hatchback's 2-liter dynamic force engine, which produces a healthy 168 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, all while having seriously competitive fuel economy estimates. This lively engine can be paired with either a continuously variable automatic transmission or 6-speed manual transmission. The continuously variable transmission, called Dynamic Shift CVT, includes a sport drive mode, paddle shifters with 10 preset ratios, and an innovative launch gear design with a physical first gear to help achieve better feel and acceleration. And for drivers who prefer to take matters into their own hands, the all-new intelligent manual transmission is a real treat. When its IMT mode is engaged, the car will fight against stalling on initial drive-off, as well as smooth out upshifts. This mode also features automatic rev matching technology that helps drivers nail those perfect downshifts. Corolla Hatchback also comes standard with active cornering assist to help manage traction and control the drive force during spirited cornering. So it's safe to say Corolla Hatchback checks all the boxes when it comes to fun. All told, the 2021 Corolla Hatchback puts a big focus on driving pleasure, while also boasting a high-tech cabin and the added cargo flexibility of its hatchback design.